Hello, my friends. My name is Fabricio Lopez, and today I'm gonna teach you how to use Canva. Canva is an application where you can create different contents about presentations, about videos, about biographies, or different contents for any kind of homework or any kind of work at your office. This is an interactive application on the website that is really good for any kind of homework or any kind of work at the office. First of all, let me share with you my screen. Okay. The first step, my friend, is go to Google search and we can type in Canva like this. And we select the first Canva. As you can see, you need to create just a registration. But in my case, I'm gonna start my sessions, and in this part you select use Google, and in this case I have available my institutional email, where you click here and we are inside the application Canva. As you can see, this is the main menu for this application, and we have some Canva dots, Blackboard Online, just presentations, just social media, just videos, and printer. And for today, my friend, I'm gonna teach you how to create just presentations. Because in Canva, as you can see, there are a lot of design where we can choose depending our homework or our work. It depends what topic we try to develop, just mm, infographics, biographies, presentations, some kind of contents. Is dependent what are you interested in present to different people. In my case, I'm gonna teach you how to create just presentations. In this case, as you can see in my screen, we have some different styles here. Just Canva can sorry, where Canva just have this kind of style, and we can choose according to our interest. In this case, I'm gonna choose this kind of presentation, my friends. Let me share just like this, just like this. We can modify our presentation according to our topic. In this case, I'm gonna type this subject assessment. We can modify size just like this for a better explanation to our people. Okay, we can adjust the size, and even though we can move this kind of image, just click here and you can move to different place inside your presentations. Even though we can modify all these pictures here, if you are not comfortable with these kinds of image, you can go to Google and search for another image. It's according to the topic that you are trying to develop to your people, and we can modify. This will be our first slide, and we can continue to type in different content, or at the same time we can modify, or we can add some different slides, or even though we can duplicate our slide just like this. It's according, just this to duplicate is for to follow the same content, the same style. But in other hand, if you can go here, as you can see, we can add some main title or subtitle to your presentation, just like this, and we can add some different topic. For example, English. We can delete here, and we can modify that's entire here. Sorry, and just like this, English text. Modify. If we pretend to modify to this in the size, and English test, we can continue typing how to evaluate students. How to evaluate students. Just say that's it. And modify this part here. We can modify. We can delete this image here. Even though we cannot, in addition, we can move or we can select different image. But don't forget this important step. Try to write a name for your presentation. In this case, I'm gonna select this assessment, assessment one. You don't need to go to any place to say your work. Just this is automatically saved in this application. And if you are trying to modify what the topic that you are typing, just click here in this space, and you can choose here the color for your typing, just like this. And if you are looking for different image, just we have here some kind of emojis for a better this is, and we can modify just like this, and we can move. This is depend how you create what is this is depend about your creativity for this. It's like this. How to evaluate students. We can look here just like this. As you can see, this is a really interesting tool for develop any interesting topic for your students. And we can add more interesting we can modify at the same time. Just if we are pretending to highlight our content, just in this space, and we can highlight in this way. At the same time, we can continue working with the same slides. We can duplicate, and we can continue add more content just like this. Okay, we can modify it according to the topic that we're pretending to use, or we can change from image that you can sell it in this place. Remember to we have some different menu here in this place, and you can choose your different content for a better explanation. Remember, in conclusion, this is an easy application for your interest, and is according to the topic that you pretend to develop to the people, to your students, is that you are creating some different slides, and this is completely easy. It doesn't matter if you delete some slide or if you delete some image, you can recover all the content that you are typing in this application. And after that, if you are complete sure that you finish, you can share with different people. Just try to share or type in your email or your, you can download the content, and that's it, my friend. Thank you for your attention.